Hello all, welcome to Soy Stock Traders. We teach you more than 4 strategies. All strategies are exclusively for intraday trading. If you are at a beginner, you too don't have to worry. We will teach you from basics to core. And today I am traded in MCX. Okay, so I thought of planning recording a video. I got some buy levels, entry levels in gold. So just putting my entry. Okay, I placed my order in market itself because in commodity on gold and all, just my strategy is based upon levels. If my level is crossed, just I will go on through an entry, and stop loss is nearly 25 points only, so it will be around about 2000 rupees. Okay, so I'm expecting target of nearly 120 points. My expectation target, there only some resistance are there, so I hope it will reach there. Okay, so I already add some buy levels in positions in copper and lead and all those things, natural gas and nickel. In natural gas and nickel, I booked my profit. There was some reversal signal, so I just quieted my trade and exited my position. In nickel, just my trailing SL got hit. Okay, so it is now in position now. Gold is in. Just I am planned of showing for gold only. So I will get nearly about 10 to 12,000, around 13,000 I may get in gold if I covered 120 points or 100 points. Okay, from my buy level. So stop loss for this is just very minimum. Okay. It is moving on. See the move, guys, it's moving very quickly. So in commodity, while we are going into trade, we don't have to get any panic or emotional decision like equity or cash segment. Okay, so its movement is very it may not be very rapid. Okay, so we can trade with the calmness, no issues at all. So as per my strategy, there is some levels will be given. Okay, and you can find the levels, and you can once your level is crossed, you just go through an entry. Okay, and stop loss will be nearly around about 20 or 2000 or 3000 minimum. Okay, so but your target will be around 1:5 or 1:3. You will get such a targets, so without any panic you can trade. Okay, it is moving on. So today actually I was planned of recording a video on Nifty only. Okay, Nifty cash segment only, but I didn't find any signals, perfect valid signals. The Nifty was also didn't move at all. It was not moved. It just seems like a doji in the daily chart, so I have avoided. As per my ABSC strategy, I usually trade on my ABSC strategy. That is my favorite one, and today I don't get any valid signals on that. So if I didn't get any valid signals on that, just I avoid trade in Nifty. Okay, in Nifty cash segments, because once if that is a trend indicator for me. Okay, my ABC strategy, which is my favorite, I'm going to teach all those strategies to you. Okay, if you attend my class, I will teach all those things. So today I didn't get any valid signals, so I just quieted my trade in Nifty and cash segments and future, all those things, and I just jumped through the MCX. So I got by some buy level, and just it is in position now. Okay, so some clients were asking about how your training is like. Why is that they were asking? See, I teach more than 4 strategies. I had 2 packages. Okay, for intraday trading. Some for those are asking for single packages. I used to teach 2 strategies only. Okay, so those 2 strategies are very powerful. ABSC was one among them, and balance 2-3 strategies are there. That is based upon structure. So if you need very core price action structures, that will be very useful for you. Okay, so while teaching all those 4 strategies, I am just going through. If you're first day I will take 1 strategies, and unless you are clarified with those strategy, I won't go to the next. Okay, always my session will be an individual session. I won't find difficult to teach you if it take 3 or 4 days. I don't mind those things at all. Okay, unless you are clear with those strategy, I will go each day. Your strategy will be whatever I am teaching, I will be clarified in the next day class. If for example, today I am taking 1 strategy. Okay, so next day I will be I will let you allow in the market. Okay, to practice in the market. If that you find any doubt in that sessions or in the live market, those doubts will be clarified in the next day evening session. Then only I will teach the next strategy. So for that you will be get clarified with all those strategies. So you may not find any difficulties. Even though if you find difficulties, I will be supporting with you. Okay, whenever you call or text anything else, once you after your training, we will be providing our lifetime support. So no issues at all. Okay. And somewhere asking whether your class is based on a webinar class. No, I don't recommend, sir, I don't like all those things. My session is fully completely of individual sessions. Okay, we both need interaction. Okay, if you are coming to my session or classes, we need interaction. So then only I can understand what's the mood, all those things, because trading is mostly based upon psychology. Okay, unless you lack in trading psychology, you can't book profits. So first you have to be tuned for the trading psychology, and next thing money management, and then technical strategies. See, the entire stock market is based upon 97% upon trading psychology, and 2% upon money management, and 1% of my strategy which I am going to teach. So you have to be very clear about all those trading methodology and psychology. How should you behave? All those things you must be clear first. Okay, then only our strategy is going to work, because market is not an algorithm to predict anything else. Okay, you can't predict. So can't predict means you can't predict 100% accurately. Yeah, the market will go reach here. So no one can't tell. Okay, so what the thing we have to do is that we must approach the market with a probability based upon approach, with the money management and risk reward as a base thing. So if you are taking 4 entries, and if you are losing 2 entries as a 2 entries ended in loss, mean also balance 2 entries going to let you in a profit zone. Okay, so that like of approach is needed for the stock market. It is just a game of probability, not a game of perfection. So remember all those things. Okay, just trading, coming and entry, going, all those things, that's all useless. First you have to have a proper plan to enter into a trade. Okay, that will give you a success ratio. It's taking time, not moving at all. So for crude itself, I am having on 3 special structures. Okay, so those who are interested in trading in crude, you can also contact. So all my strategies are helpful in all. Basically what the thing is that my strategies all which is was ABSC, and one more strategies which is all those things are my favorite ones. So what is useful is that it is based upon money management and risk reward structure. Okay, so it will be very useful if you are trading in cash markets. Okay, because in the cash market only we have an opportunity to adjust our risk according to our capital. All of those things, the crude, commodity, and futures, all those things have based upon lot sizes. So we cannot decrease the quantities or adjust our quantities according to our risk. So only as I hope only money management is possible with this equity segment. Okay, so I always fond of equity segment. In MCX also I'm having many strategies. Okay, I know more than 4 to 5 strategies for commodity. Okay, for crude I have 3 structures. That will be very helpful. You can trade with everything. So once you attend my class, I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. Yeah, it's nearing 5,300. It's taking longer time. The only thing I avoid in trading in commodity market is that it will test our patience. Okay, it won't move very rapidly. Just we have to sit for a whole day and we have to wait. It's nearly moving total. Okay guys, it's not moving. I will pause my video and I will resume later. Okay, so I think it will be right thing. Yeah guys, yeah, it's nearing my target. Okay, nearly 11,900. So it had a good move. Okay, yeah, it's moving. Yeah, my expected level, target level has been reached. Okay, I think it will move much more also. I'm expecting 150 points from my entry level. It nearly reached 120 points, I think so. 30 more points. This commodity market, whatever we have entered in trade, it will move like a tortoise very slowly, but we don't have to take any panics or emotional decision. Okay, we can just trade with a calmness. It is moving 13 around. God, it is reversing from the level, I think so. Copper is also in position. Okay, and lead is also in position. If we can get on 3,000 more, it will be much useful for me. So just reach 13,000 only. See this, if you are like to trade in gold and all, you must use US dollar and INR comparison. Okay, so that will be a best indicator for you. Indicator means just you by seeing the chart, it will be much useful. Okay, I will teach you all those things if you attend my training, all those things, and it will be clarified to you. You can trade very easily. It's a very easy trading, you know. See, trading in commodity is a very easy thing. Okay, I will book my target. Okay, in the market itself. It is reversing from the level. Waiting. I hope it will. It's not moving. Just I will exit. That's the best thing, I hope. Okay, I will exit in market itself. Okay guys, this is a very simple trades. Okay, just I booked my profit. Thank you guys, thanks a lot. We will meet you in the next video. Okay, like and subscribe my channel for regular updates. If you like my video, share also. Thank you guys.